Generally, the question of who inherits a dead person's estate is determined by the customary law in the Sharia or the Penal Code concerning the administration of estates in Nigeria. The question of whether or not the next of kin inherits the estate of a dead person in case he or she died intestate has often been debated among Nigerians. Our correspondent went out to seek people's opinions on what Nigerians understand by next of kin.
A medical doctor, Dabrula Fidelis, and a student complained that the next of kin merely meant the first contact point if anything happens to someone who is empowered to provide necessary information about the person where needed, such as confirming its identity.
As an individual, you have the right and leverage to choose whoever you want to. You can actually be somebody that is not even related to you, but somebody you feel, if the person has that closeness, and you feel you have that link and you are very secure with the person.
Someone you trust, you believe that can always be there for you in any case of emergency, in any case of accident, or when it comes to signing official documents. Like the US, for example, they have legal documents, like legal means of actually saying that, okay, this particular person remains your next of kin for life.
Some others say the next of kin simply refers to the nearest blood relative, or that the term can be used to refer to an heir of a person.
Could be your spouse, could be your child, could be your brother, could be a sister. I think it has to be a living closest relative.
Like someone they can access after you, like someone that is so close to you and they can reach out, maybe when you are not reachable.
Your blood relative that is still in existence.
Some of the respondents say what the next of kin do after the demise of the deceased is perhaps to ensure that necessary steps were taken towards obtaining a letter of administration from the probate, and not necessarily to be the inheritor of the deceased estate in case he or she died intestate. Rotimi Robinson, AIT News, Yellow.